Welcome back. Drama series Breaking Bad Season 5 Episode 8. How Walt's operation has expanded dramatically. His business is running like a well-oiled machine, making huge profits. At first glance, it seems that everything is under control in the end. The fast-paced montage shows the empire expanding throughout time. With every victory, Walt's self-assurance increases, but viewers can already see that this degree of success is not sustainable. In the meantime, a mountain of cash overwhelms Skylar. She starts to worry about the risks surrounding the family rather than feeling secure. Once a symbol of promise, wealth now seems like a hazardous burden. Eventually, Walt announces his resignation from the company after concluding he has earned enough. It appears for a split second that he will be able to leave the criminal world before it destroys all. Elsewhere, Mike's imprisoned comrades have become an increasing threat. The loose ends start to bother Walt and Lydia, creating a tension about how to protect the operation from law enforcement. The choices made during this part of the episode show how far characters are willing to go to keep their secrets safe. The biggest surprise comes near the end. Walt seems to have successfully put his criminal life behind him and is enjoying peaceful family moments. But in an instant, everything changes. Hank discovers a seemingly ordinary book in Walt's bathroom. Inside there is a handwritten message that connects Walt to an important figure from his criminal past. Hank's expression changes immediately when he realizes the horrible truth. Without any action sequences or explosions, this episode delivers one of the most powerful cliffhangers in television history. This episode marks the turning point of the entire series. Walt believes he has finally won, but luck has different plans. This discovery has triggered a fierce battle between two family members who have unknowingly been on opposite sides. It reminds us that no secret is hidden forever, especially when arrogance causes one to lower their guard. What did you think of that unforgettable ending? Was this the biggest cliffhanger of the series? Share your thoughts in the comments below. How did you feel about the memorable conclusion? Was this the series' greatest cliffhanger? Please leave your comments below. That's all for today. Take care of yourself and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see the next episode. Regards.
The Empire is rising. Secrets, betrayal, transformation.